Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in our last session, we discussed about the definition of the constraints. So today we will discuss how to use these constraints while creating the table. So I have created the table person 1. So here I'm creating some columns like ID, person ID, salary, age and city and their data types. So while declaring these data types, so I'm using some constraints also. For example, as we discussed last time, not null constraint. All right. So ID integer not null. So it means that there should be no there the value should not be not null. Okay, and apart from that, the value inside this column should be unique. So that's why I have used this constraint, that is unique. Okay, and that person ID, obviously, there if you remember, I discussed last time also, in each column there will be always a primary key constraint. All right, so that's why I have used this person ID as primary constraint. And then name, obviously, its data type is varchar. Salary integer, again I used not null constraint. Is integer. So guys, while in any organization, so the age person should not be less than 18. Okay, so that's why I have used this constraint check. Okay, so and the condition is the age column should be or equal to 18, should be greater than or equal to 18. Okay, and again, so the city column, so I have used the default constraint. In case if the value is not updated, then it will use by default xyz constraint. Okay, so in this way we can create this table using these constraints. So let's see. So the command completed successfully. And also we discussed about one more constraint, that was foreign key constraint. So for that I have created another table, create table order ID, again integer and primary key. So this is the the combination of not null and unique constraint, that is primary key. Okay, now this is the person ID. If you see person ID in this table also, that is primary key, but here is not the primary key. So that's why I have created a relationship between these two tables based on this person ID. Okay, here this is primary key, but here I have used foreign key constraint on this column, and by referencing this column name and which column in that referencing referenced table, that is person ID, this one. So in this way we can create a found key constraint. So guys, so this way we can use these constraints while creating the table, so that we can set the rules so that the data accuracy will be there in the table itself. All right, so this way I have created another table also. So I hope this is clear to you by how to use these constraints while creating the table. So till then, thank you very much.